Today we're going to thank God for the ways that we learn and grow at Sacred Heart. This is how we grow our spirits, do what's right and good, love and serve others, and understand and respect our world at Sacred Heart.
To grow our spirits, we
grow in our friendship with God, learn who Jesus was, how he lived and what mattered to him. Learn lots about the Catholic faith, learn about different beliefs that people have, different ideas that people have, and different things that people value.
Make time to listen to our own hearts so we can discover what each of us believes, thinks and values. Love learning about where we come from, are tolerant of each other's differences. We love one another as we are. Know it's okay to change our mind about things.
Have a say in our learning and know that our teachers listen to us. Love asking questions. Think learning is a holy thing to do. Think learning should be enjoyable and fascinating.
Value our imagination and creativity through our lessons. Believe everybody is a unique gift to the world, that only they can do what God sent them to do, and that for that reason they should be treasured.
Believe that Jesus lives inside everyone's heart, and if we want to love him, we simply love each other. We do these things listed above to help our spirits grow.
Follow the code of conduct. Follow our behaviour rules.
Explore different ways of looking at a situation. Think about different choices we can make.
Learn the difference between right and wrong. Learn that bad choices have consequences.
Learn about respect for civil and criminal law of England. Practice empathy.
Seek to understand others.
Social means to love and serve others. We put our relationship first. We listen and respond to ourselves, God, others and our environment.
We respect Jesus in others and in God's creation. We are brave in reaching out to make sure others are okay, and we take care of our environment.
We enjoy our time with others. We celebrate being part of God's family. We know we are very precious because we are a child of God.
We know others are precious because they are a child of God. We are honest about what we are good at and what we struggle with.
We ask what we need and what we would like, and when we hurt others, we say we are sorry.
When others show they are sorry, we forgive them and we start again. We do the things listed above to love and serve others well.
We learn about the history of ideas and how these have made our world what it is today. We learn about local history. We learn about the history of our country. We learn about civilizations from the past. We learn about different cultures today, and we read our local news.
We read news from around the world. We learn about different religions. We learn about different ideas. We learn about different communities. We know our country's democracy, parliamentary system. We know how our democracy parliamentary system has shaped our country's history and values. We take part in as many artistic, musical, sporting and cultural opportunities.
We enjoy learning about and celebrating our differences. We respect different religions. We respect different people's ideas. We respect different local, national and global communities.